This game is called Dart Toss. It's a whole class participation game. I'm going to come over here and click the Start button to begin. Basically, in Dart Toss, you take your class and divide them into teams. You can use individuals. You can have up to 8 teams or 8 individuals playing the game. Each team or individual is asked a question by the instructor. If they get the question correct, the instructor will click on the dart on the screen, which would then throw the dart at the board, and the board would then give a random score as to what they have gotten from their toss. The teacher then goes back to the main board, places that score beside the team, and gives it to their total. The game basically continues until the teacher runs out of questions. So I'm going to click the play button here just to show how it's done. And basically we have our team scores here, and here's our dart down here. I'm going to pretend that I just asked a question to Team 1. Team 1 got the question right, so now I'm going to come right here and click on the dart one time. Okay, Team 1 gets 20 points. So I'm going to click Return to Scores, and I'm going to go to Team 1, and I'm going to click right there and give them 20 points. I'm going to now go to Team 2, give them a question. I'm going to pretend that they got it correct, and so I'll click the dart one more time. They also got 20 points, and I'm going to click to Return to Scores. You continue to do this until you have run out of questions. I'll give it one more time here for Team 3. They also got 20 points. It really is random. Trust me, it really is. Alright, so we have 20 points for each team. Now, if we come back around, we'll give Team 1 another question. Once we click it, then they would get another set of points. In this case, they get 10 points. The game does not automatically add. You'll have to add those 10 points to Team 1, so they would now have 30 points, and they continue on, etc. Basically, again, you continue until you run out of questions. And then over in the lower left, you can click End Game. I advise that before you quit the game, you go in and you zero back out all the scores before you quit. If you do happen to forget and leave some scores in there, when you end the game, you'll notice that those scores still stay. After you've launched the game again, this will still be here. You can't actually clear it by clicking on it in edit mode. You'll have to actually start the PowerPoint show in order to get it to clear again. And basically all you do is start the PowerPoint show again, come in, put your 0 back there again, and now you start the game. To begin a PowerPoint show using Office 2007, go to the Slideshow tab, click one time on the Slideshow tab, then choose From the Beginning. To start the game in any version of PowerPoint before Office 2007, go to the Slideshow menu and choose View Show. This game is designed for whole class participation. Participants are divided into teams or may work as individuals. For best results, use an LCD projector or TV to display the game to participants. If you receive a security alert when beginning this game and you're using Office 2007, simply click the Enable This Content button and then click OK. Please note, if you are using a version of Microsoft Office prior to Office 2003, some of the features in these games may not function properly. It is advised that you do your editing of the PowerPoint slides or games in your older version, and then use Microsoft's free PowerPoint viewer for actual gameplay. To download the free viewer, just do a web search for PowerPoint Player 2007.